Hi everybody, my name is Dr. Debbie Roche. I am a chiropractor and functional medicine practitioner located in St. Petersburg, Florida. Today we're going to be talking about a really important nutritional principle called alkalinity. And alkalinity refers to how much acid you have in your body versus non-acid. And so this principle is so very important because it impacts every single cell, every single organ, every single system, including your brain and your bones, everything. And so today I wanted to teach you an easy way for you to monitor your alkaline and acid levels at home very inexpensively. And so this principle, if you remember from chemistry class, that pH it stands for potential hydrogen. And hydrogen is from the periodic table. It's an element on the periodic table, and it often has a plus charge, H plus 1. So what happens is that these hydrogen ions accumulate in the body, and there's a lot of cellular activity that can create these little hydrogen ions, but also the foods that we eat and the activities that we do, and also the toxins we're exposed to, can impact how much hydrogen we actually have in our bodies. So too much of this hydrogen can actually damage a lot of things. And so this idea of monitoring this very simple thing can really impact our health in huge ways. A lot of symptoms from overacidity are very common, including breathing issues and fatigue and achiness and things like that. There are many different symptoms for both overacidity and being overly alkaline. But if you remember, the acid-alkaline scale goes from 1 to 14, with 7 being neutral. And so our goal is to kind of keep the body in this neutral range around 7. And so one of the easiest ways that you can monitor it is by buying pH paper. Ideally, that pH paper will be in increments of 0.1 and then up. But one of the easiest ways is to dip that little piece of paper into your urine stream in the morning and to see what number it's at. If it comes between 6.8 and 7.2, that kind of range, then you're in the healthy acid-alkaline range. And so ideally, the closer to 7.2 you are, kind of the better, because you can, if you're way higher, like if you're in the 8 area, being over alkaline is bad in different ways too. So so being over acidic is bad, being over alkaline is bad as well. So to keep it in the range is the ideal. So there are certain nutritional deficiencies that can actually make your body super alkaline, including a lot of mineral deficiencies. But also, the more acidic you are, the more your body's breaking down. And so, being able to see it visually every morning is a great way to kind of keep your body on track. And you can actually modify it by making sure you're hydrated and you're consuming a lot of great, produce and green things, and potentially maybe even juicing. Actually, I'm going to be making another video that talks about the alkaline foods. But being able to do this, you can do this with your saliva too. Saliva actually can be a little bit more variable, but it follows kind of the same numbers as well. If you're getting below 6.4 on either of them, it's kind of, an indicator to kind of like, shape up a little bit and start kind of paying a little bit more attention to your health. So if anybody has any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I also want to mention that your blood has to stay at 7.4 in order for you to be alive. And so what happens as your body starts to get more acidic, then your blood is starting to get impacted, and your body actually will start stealing minerals and things from other systems in order to keep this blood balanced, and it will throw off your entire body. So this concept is very important, and it can be applied every single day to almost every single wellness thing that you do. So if anybody has any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer anything that you might be having questions about. Take care. Bye-bye.